Day 38, the Influence Kit. Welcome back to Day 38. Today, we focus on influence, meetings, and the art of negotiation. In a professional environment, your ability to lead or reach an agreement depends on the precision of your language. It's not just about supporting an idea or agreeing, it's about how you position your arguments. Let's upgrade your influence toolkit. 1. Advocate. Instead of support or speak for, upgrade to advocate. This means to publicly recommend or support a particular cause or policy. For example, I strongly advocate for a more flexible remote work policy. The nuance? Support is passive. Advocate is active and professional. It suggests you are a champion for an idea and you are ready to defend it with arguments. Checkpoint. What is one change in your company that you would strongly advocate for? 2. Concede. Instead of give in or admit, use concede. This means to admit that something is true or valid, especially after first denying it or during a negotiation. For example, the management had to concede that the employee's demands were fair. The nuance? Give in sounds weak. Concede sounds like a strategic professional move. It shows you can be objective and recognize a valid point even if it's not your own. Checkpoint. Have you ever had to concede a point during a difficult meeting? 3. Unanimous. Instead of saying everyone agrees, upgrade to unanimous. This describes a situation where every single person involved is in full agreement. For example, the board reached a unanimous decision on the merger. The nuance? Everyone agrees is conversational. Unanimous is the term of authority. It emphasizes the total strength and unity of the decision. Checkpoint. When was the last time your team reached a unanimous decision? Contextual summary. Although I advocate for the change, I must concede that we need a unanimous vote to move forward. Key takeaway. Advocate and concede are the bread and butter of high-level negotiations. They show you can hold your ground but also be professional when you have to compromise. Unanimous describes the ultimate level of agreement. Now, it's your turn for a challenge. Upgrade this simple sentence. I support the new rule, but I admit we need everyone to agree before we start. Rewrite it using today's vocabulary and post it in the comments. Thank you for your focus today. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a step in your vocabulary upgrade journey. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lesson.